प्याज पॉकेट में रखो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. You don't have to worry about heat as long as you have this comparatively younger person with an old soul.
The third phase of polling is underway. It's scorching hot. 9 seats going to the polls in the Gwalior-Chambal region. And here you are, Jyotiraditya Scindia, the candidate, the BJP candidate from Guna, meeting elders, voters and, going from booth to booth. The voting percentage could be a cause of concern as it's scorching hot, and it's not going to be an easy challenge to get the voters out to vote. Jyotiraditya Scindia right there joining us. The BJP is hoping to score 100 on 100, and you are hopeful that you can make a comeback. It's a litmus test for you as well.
Well, I think that for me, my journey is one of development and public service. And politics for me is not the goal and the end. For me, the goal and the end is public service, and politics is a means of achieving that end. And I am very confident that this time around, the people of not only Guna, Shivpuri and Ashoknagar, but the people of the country will be voting. Will be voting for Prime Minister Narendra Modi's leadership. And in that leadership, India will rise to become a great power in the comity of nations.
It's scorching hot, the temperatures are high. Do you think the voters turn out?
You must always remember, Mausami, that you don't have to worry about heat as long as you have this.
You're carrying an onion in your pocket. Is it like buri nazar na lage, or is it to save yourself?
It is. I am a comparatively younger person with an old soul. So I am old India. Carry प्याज पॉकेट में रखो, कुछ नहीं होने वाला. सही है कि नहीं?
The polling percentage has been relatively less in the first 2 phases. Do you think
it's going well today?
So here you are, Jyotiraditya Scindia talking to India Today, saying that he's carrying an onion in his pocket. There he is meeting people even as he goes, and he thinks that this is not going to be really a concern as far as voters in this stretch are concerned, because they are enthusiastic. And clearly, the odds are heavily stacked against him, as the Congress has pitched a BJP turncoat in Yadavendra Yadav, and Jyotiraditya Scindia would be hoping that he can, reclaim his traditional bastion that's been with the Scindias since 1957, barring a few stints by other leaders. With video journalist Kripal Singh, this is Mausami Singh in Guna for India Today.